Imagine this. You're sipping your coffee, scrolling Twitter, and suddenly, the sky's the new battleground for conspiracy theories. Drones over New Jersey? Sure, normal. But now it's tied to Project Bluebeam, the alleged global elite's plan to fake an alien invasion and bring in the apocalypse. Buckle up, folks, because this ride is straight out of a rejected Black Mirror script. Let's start with the basics. Project Bluebeam is the OG batshit conspiracy theory. Cooked up in the 90s by Canadian journalist Serge Monast, it claims that the global elite, armed with NASA tech and a god complex, are planning to fake alien invasions and holographic deities to create a one-world government. You know, your standard light show meets authoritarian nightmare. So, why is this coming back now? Well, since mid-November, thousands of people in New Jersey and New York have reported seeing drones hovering in the night sky. The FBI has no answers, the government is shrugging, and conspiracy theorists are having a field day. Roseanne Barr, yes, that Roseanne, is shouting about Project Bluebeam on her podcast, while Alex Jones is screaming something about holograms and world domination. Honestly, if Bigfoot doesn't show up soon, I'm going to be disappointed. But wait, it gets better. Former Congressman Adam Kinzinger has chimed in, calling this the new QAnon, while social media users are losing their shit, claiming the drones are Project Bluebeam in all caps, like that's going to make it true. Even Marjorie Taylor Greene is convinced the drones are a government plot. Her take: the government is in control of the drones and refuses to tell the American people what's going on. Sure, Marge and Elvis is running them from Area 51, right? Meanwhile, the FBI says these drones probably aren't drones at all, but airplanes or other normal aircraft, which, let's be real, is the government's way of saying, we don't know what the hell is happening, but please stop asking. And Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas isn't helping. His big explanation? The FAA changed its rules last year, letting drones fly at night. So basically, it's just a bunch of overachieving hobbyists ruining the peace. Nothing to see here, folks. Literally. The best part? While lawmakers like Chuck Schumer are pushing for high-tech drone detection systems, people like Trump are calling for us to just shoot them down. That's right. Nothing says thoughtful diplomacy like blowing unidentified flying objects out of the sky. Next thing you know, we'll have a reality show called Drone Hunters, New Jersey edition. So, is this just a case of mistaken identity? A conspiracy to bring on the end of days? Or just New Jersey being, well, New Jersey? Either way, the drones are keeping us entertained. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is this a hobbyist gone rogue, or are we about to meet our holographic overlords? Don't forget to hit subscribe for more WTF news, and remember, if the sky starts talking to you, maybe just log off Twitter. Until next time, keep laughing, keep questioning, and keep your drones grounded.